Hey there, welcome to this comprehensive guide on operating systems and computer architecture. In today's world, computers have become an essential part of our lives, but have you ever wondered how they work? In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about computer architecture and operating systems. So, let's get started. Part 1. Computer architecture. Computer architecture is the fundamental design of a computer system. It includes the physical components of a computer such as the CPU, memory, input-output devices, and storage. The CPU, or central processing unit, is the brain of the computer and performs all the calculations and logic operations. Memory is where the computer stores data and instructions that are currently being used by the CPU. Input-output devices allow us to interact with the computer, while storage devices are used to store data for long periods. Part 2. Operating systems. An operating system is a software that manages the hardware and software resources of a computer system. It provides an interface between the user and the computer hardware. Operating systems perform various tasks, such as managing memory, scheduling tasks, managing input-output devices, and providing security. There are several types of operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Unix, and Android. Part 3. Computer networks. A computer network is a collection of computers and devices that are connected to each other to share resources and communicate. Networks are used in many different settings, from homes to businesses to entire cities. The Internet is the largest computer network in the world, connecting billions of devices across the globe. Part 4. Virtualization. Virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of something, such as a computer, operating system, or network. This allows multiple virtual instances to run on a single physical machine, improving efficiency and reducing costs. Virtualization is widely used in cloud computing and data centers. Part 5. Emerging technologies. The world of computer architecture and operating systems is constantly evolving. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and the Internet of Things (IoT) are transforming the way we use computers. These technologies bring new challenges and opportunities for computer scientists and engineers. Conclusion. That concludes our comprehensive guide on operating systems and computer architecture. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Remember, understanding the fundamentals of computer architecture and operating systems is essential for anyone working with computers, from developers to IT professionals. Certainly. Here are some additional details on operating systems and computer architecture that you can include in your script. One important aspect of computer architecture is the instruction set architecture, ISA, which is the interface between the hardware and software of a computer. The ISA defines the set of instructions that a processor can execute, as well as the registers and memory locations that programs can access. Operating systems provide a layer of abstraction above the hardware, allowing applications to interact with the computer without needing to understand the details of the underlying hardware. Operating systems manage resources such as memory, processing time, and input-output operations, and provide services such as file management, networking, and security. There are several types of operating systems, including batch processing systems, time-sharing systems, and real-time systems. Batch processing systems are designed for processing large volumes of data in a single batch, while time-sharing systems allow multiple users to share a computer's resources by dividing processing time into small time slices. Real-time systems are designed for applications that require precise timing, such as industrial control systems and video game consoles. Virtualization is a technology that allows multiple operating systems to run on a single computer, with each operating system running in its own virtual machine. This can be useful for running legacy applications that require older operating systems, or for isolating applications for security purposes. Computer networks can be thought of as a type of distributed operating system, in which multiple computers are connected and share resources such as printers, storage devices, and Internet connections. Computer architecture and operating systems are closely intertwined, with operating systems often being designed to take advantage of specific features of hardware architectures. For example, some operating systems are designed to work specifically with Intel processors, while others are designed for ARM processors commonly used in mobile devices. There are many additional details and subtopics related to operating systems and computer architecture that you could explore, depending on the level of depth you wish to go into. Some examples include different types of operating systems, such as real-time operating systems (RTOS), multi-user operating systems, and distributed operating systems. The role of the operating system in managing memory and storage, including topics like virtual memory, paging, and file systems. Processor architecture and organization, including topics like instruction sets, pipelining, and caching. Parallel processing and multiprocessing, including topics like multi-core processors and distributed computing. Security and protection mechanisms in operating systems, such as access control, authentication, and encryption. These topics and more could be explored in greater detail to provide a more comprehensive understanding of operating systems and computer architecture. Let me break down the topics of operating systems and computer architecture in more detail. Operating systems are the software programs that manage the hardware resources of a computer system and provide services to other software programs that run on the computer. The operating system acts as an intermediary between the computer hardware and software, enabling the software to interact with the hardware in a more efficient manner. Operating systems can be found in a wide range of devices, from personal computers and smartphones to servers and embedded systems. One of the main functions of an operating system is to manage the computer's memory, which is essential for ensuring that the computer runs efficiently. The operating system also manages the computer's processor, input-output devices, and file system. It provides an interface for users to interact with the computer and allows multiple software applications to run at the same time. Some common operating systems include Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Computer architecture, on the other hand, is the study of the design and organization of computer systems. It involves understanding how the various components of a computer system, such as the central processing unit, CPU, memory, input-output devices, and storage, work together to execute instructions and perform computations. Computer architecture is often divided into two main categories: the von Neumann architecture and the Harvard architecture. The von Neumann architecture, named after computer scientist John von Neumann, is a computer architecture that uses a single memory to store both program instructions and data. In contrast, the Harvard architecture uses separate memories for instructions and data. Other important concepts in computer architecture include instruction sets, which are the basic commands that the CPU can execute, and pipelining, which is a technique used to speed up the processing of instructions by allowing the CPU to work on multiple instructions at the same time. Overall, a thorough understanding of operating systems and computer architecture is essential for anyone working with computers, whether it's developing software, designing hardware, or managing computer systems. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. YouTube style ending. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.